My name is Richard. I work here at Advantech as the internal sales leader for the A-Online team. To make a manufacturing business perform really well, it's primarily to do with making sure that all of their equipment and their assets are actually performing correctly. Knowing about what is working, what isn't working, so that companies can always have the maximum amount of uptime for their business. With the iFactory dashboard, it gives you a very, very high level overview in a single location of how different machinery is operating. So that means that rather than having to go through all sorts of different applications or different windows to see how each individual piece of equipment is performing, you can see it all in one spot and you can have that all right in front of you, ready to go. The people who are looking at the dashboard allows the operators to be able to take action the moment that they see it, as opposed to reacting later when a problem is raised through other means. With respect to the visualization, it allows raw data to be displayed in a graphical format, which makes it a lot easier for operators to interpret and make use of. And the dashboard allows you to actually make use of that graphical information rather than having to look at raw data. Advantech has got a vast array of solution-ready platforms, as well as an entire array of different hardware that can be used as part of a solution design. When you do come here, one of the things that you'll get to see is not only the solution-ready platforms that we have, but we also work with your goal and your application in mind. And we will co-create the solution together, looking at the software and hardware integration, technology standardization, as well as the connectivity options that we have to work with your goal in mind. So visit us at the hub or get in touch with us today so that we can talk with you about how to improve your smart factory operations.